Okay, now let's do this. Let me comment this and then we'll say what we need. When you look at our data, so far we see it is having all these and all. But now, according to this relationship, what we need to do, we need to make sure the column with the same name are working within the data, data set. And to be able to do that, we need to use the merge method. All right.